Picture this. A warm breeze rustles through the leaves of a majestic weeping willow. Its graceful branches, like cascading waterfalls, sway gently, creating a mesmerizing dance of nature. This is the enchanting presence of a well-cared-for weeping willow, a tree that embodies both strength and tranquility. It's a living testament to the rewards of understanding and tending to its needs. The weeping willow, known for its dramatic weeping habit and vibrant green foliage, adds a touch of magic to any landscape. Its fast-growing nature makes it a popular choice for homeowners eager to establish a sense of grandeur in their gardens. But like all living things, it thrives when given the right care and attention. In this essay, we'll journey into the world of weeping willow care, exploring the essential elements that help these graceful giants flourish. From understanding their thirst for hydration to mastering the art of pruning and the benefits of mulching, we'll uncover the secrets to cultivating a healthy and visually stunning weeping willow. So, let's grab our gardening gloves and delve into the captivating realm of this beloved tree. Weeping willows, known for their love of water, thrive in moist environments. Their roots, naturally drawn to water sources, benefit from consistent moisture, especially during their initial years after planting. Regular watering is key to their happiness and growth. A simple test can reveal if your willow needs a drink. Gently probe the soil with your finger. If it feels dry an inch below the surface, it's time to water. Young trees require more frequent watering than established ones, so keep a close eye on their moisture needs, especially during dry spells. Employ a deep watering technique to ensure the water reaches the entire root system. Instead of frequent shallow watering, provide a slow and steady soak, allowing the water to penetrate deep into the soil. This encourages robust root development and helps your willow weather periods of drought with resilience. Remember, a well-hydrated willow is a happy willow. Pruning, while sounding intimidating, is like giving your weeping willow a stylish haircut. It encourages healthy growth, removes dead or diseased branches, and enhances its natural beauty. The best time to prune is during the dormant season, typically in late winter or early spring before new growth emerges. Start by removing any dead, diseased, or damaged branches. Then focus on shaping the tree, maintaining its graceful weeping form. When pruning, make clean cuts just above a bud or branch collar. This promotes faster healing and minimizes the risk of disease. Remember, less is more when it comes to pruning weeping willows. Avoid excessive cutting as it can stress the tree and impact its overall health. Instead, aim for a light trim that enhances its natural shape and promotes air circulation within the canopy. Section 4. Mulching Magic, a Blanket of Care. Mulching, often considered a gardening secret weapon, works wonders for weeping willows. Applying a layer of mulch around the base of the tree provides a protective blanket that offers numerous benefits, from moisture retention to weed suppression. Organic mulches like wood chips or shredded bark are excellent choices. They decompose slowly, enriching the soil with nutrients as they break down. Apply a 2 to 4 inch layer of mulch, ensuring it doesn't touch the trunk to prevent moisture buildup and potential rot. Mulch acts like a sponge, absorbing rainfall and irrigation water, then releasing it slowly to the soil. This helps regulate soil temperature, keeping the roots cool in summer and insulating them from frost in winter. Additionally, it hinders weed growth, reducing competition for nutrients and water, allowing your willow to thrive. Section 5. A Legacy of Grace, the Rewards of Proper Care. A well-cared-for weeping willow is a sight to behold. Its branches, laden with lush foliage, cascade gracefully, creating a tranquil oasis in your backyard. Proper watering, pruning, and mulching not only enhance its aesthetic appeal, but also contribute to its overall health and longevity. By understanding the specific needs of this graceful giant and implementing these simple yet effective care practices, you can enjoy the captivating presence of a thriving weeping willow for years to come. The gentle rustling of its leaves in the breeze will be a constant reminder of the rewards of nurturing nature's beauty. So embrace the tranquility and charm of the weeping willow. With a little care and attention, you can create a legacy of grace and beauty in your own backyard, a testament to the enduring power of nature's artistry.